And we're featuring Southern Beard Co. here on the program today. We've got their new premium beard balm and beard butter. So we're going to be talking about that. I also have a couple of new scents in the premium oil that I did a video for a little while back. But we're going to talk about it today because these carrier oils are also part of the butter and the balm. But I've got maraschino cherry and redwood cedar. Welcome, guys. My name is Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. And part of helping to grow a good beard is to use high quality products like Southern Beard Co. I've been using their products for a number of years now, been associated with them. They first came on my radar when we had a fall extravaganza and they sent out, it was a really authentic apple cider scent, my favorite apple cider scent I've ever smelled, and I stick to that to this day. So a lot of different scents. I think he's pared some of it back. Tim's the owner. He's pared some of that back and he's kind of bringing more things on seasonally than keeping 30 cents up on the site all of the time. So a little bit less choices to kind of filter through. It's probably a little bit easier on him and probably you too. You don't have to filter through three pages of scents like there used to be. All right, so let's talk about the oil here. So I've got the maraschino cherry and the redwood cedar. Let me go ahead and show you the website here. By the way, you do get free shipping if you hit $50 in the US, and you can also save 15% with my affiliate code BANJO15. I always appreciate you guys' support when you use my codes. But let's go to, and it still has the original blend. So if you're not into emu blends, is not something that you're interested in, that you can shop for the original blend and still get these same scents and stuff. But the original blend oil is organic. Emu, by the way, all organic. Emu, meadowfoam seed, Jamaican black castor, safflower, hemp seed, fractionated coconut, shaolin, sweet almond, argan, jojoba, and then your essential and fragrance. So that is coming in really strong. So the oil goes for $19.49. And I wanted to talk about these two scents that I have here. So I've got maraschino cherry, which I actually love. I've never smelled another cherry scent from a company that smelled like the maraschino cherry. It smelled like the dark cherry, black cherry, wild cherry, some of that stuff. This smells just like you're opening a container that's got the cherries in it, with the red cherries that you're putting on your ice cream, like the sundae topper. Smells just like that. It does not last a really long time. Neither one of these scents do, but it smells just like it. You get a nice pop and then it just kind of fades away pretty quickly. So, after 30 minutes, you can't really smell that nice pop of stuff. So I kind of wish it would last longer, but I know you kind of have to weigh that. If it's too strong, then it's going to be overwhelming. Redwood cedar is kind of the same way. You think it might be overwhelming because it's just one thing. And a lot of Southern Beard Co. scents have just been one thing, at least in the past. I think we got new stuff coming, more stuff coming. So make sure you stay tuned here to the channel to see what else Southern Beard Co. has coming down the road. I think you're going to enjoy some of the new stuff coming. But redwood cherry, not redwood cherry. Redwood cherry actually works. I will tell you that I have mixed these together, and I've never seen that combination before, but the maraschino cherry and the redwood cedar actually works really well. Let me know if you think that sounds good. But anyway, the redwood cedar, you get like a cedar chest. You're walking into a room in an old-timey house, and there's a cedar chest on the floor in the bedroom. That's exactly the kind of the smell you get. It's not super strong, and you get a nice pop with a little bit of bite to it up front, but it doesn't last a real long time. So that's your redwood cedar and your maraschino cherry. I highly recommend both of those. Some of my favorites that I've tried from Southern Beard Co. All right, wanted to talk next about the beard butter. So it does have all of those carriers in it. So it does have the emu and stuff in it. So it's a little bit on the thicker side, right? It's a poured butter, but it's still super smooth, works very well. I enjoy it quite a bit. Now I do have the unscented, and I can smell a little bit of the shea butter coming through. So if you're really sensitive to that shea smell, then you may want to take that into consideration. But let me just show you again on the premium, the organic beard butter. So it does have organic shea, mango butter, and coconut oil, along with that premium blend of oils that I talked about earlier. Works really well. Nice, long-lasting butter. Makes my beard feel soft for a long time. The only drawback for me is this one's not scented, so I do smell that shea coming through a little bit. All right. And then the beard balm works the exact same way, except you add the beeswax in. Now, the only thing different, if I remember right, so yes, the butter is poured. I think this balm is whipped, which is the craziest thing I've ever heard. I do think it's whipped. It looks like it's whipped. It may not be anymore, but you can smell that the beeswax and the shea even more in this one. I don't see where it says it's whipped, but I think it is. I know he used to whip the butters. It makes it super smooth. You get no grit on this. Hold your beard well. I would say it's medium hold, not super high, but it's definitely a medium or just slightly above medium, which is what I want in a balm. If I'm wearing a balm, I want it to do something, right? I don't want it to be just like a butter, even though this one does make your beard feel soft. Not all balms do, especially the high hold balm. So basically, for me, balms, especially with a short beard now, and I'm letting it grow out, so I am using balms more. The only drawback for me about balms is trying to get it off my hands. I don't mind the way it feels in my beard. It makes my beard feel softer. It lasts longer than like a butter or an oil only. So that's what I like about the balms. Let me know if you are still a fan of balms at all. I know some of the guys that watch my videos aren't anymore because they have long beards and they've just kind of trained their beard otherwise. But I know some of you guys still like the balms. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys for now. So don't forget to use that code BANJO15. And also don't forget to pick up a beard wash. My favorite beard wash is from Southern Beard Co. I did a video on that a while back. It came in numero uno, number one. You can't get any higher than that. So I highly recommend you checking that out. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll be seeing you soon.